I bought an 80-year-old lady's entire collection of craft supplies and we're checking out bin number 54. Spoiler alert, it's paper again, but it's my favorite. All right, let's get started. We have another K & Company. There was a lot of these in the last bin. They're just so pretty and they're fairly inexpensive. So this one has some gorgeous flowers in it. Oh, these are double-sided, which is also a really good find. And there's lots of butterflies, reds and oranges and purples and greens and yellows. Really beautiful, bold colors. Love it. Ooh, this definitely has some more pastels and pinks and blues, which are my favorite. Beautiful flowers. Oh, they look so vintage. This is a really nice one. It's going to be hard not to keep this one, but I'm trying so hard to be good. I have a ton of paper, and honestly, I don't think I'm ever going to get through all of it. So this is just a really, really good reminder to use what you have, appreciate what you have. And I'm just going to keep telling myself that as I accumulate more paper. It doesn't work. I can't. Myself doesn't listen to myself. These are so pretty. These are like, they're thinner than cardstock. They're kind of translucent. I don't know if I would go as far as calling them vellum. Actually, you know what? They are vellum. They're vellum and metallic. Really, really fun. This is some plain white cardstock. Always comes in handy, especially in the 12 by 12 sheets. And this is so fun and colorful. Oh my goodness, we've got some flamingos. One of our staff members is obsessed with flamingos. Ooh, oh my gosh, look at those polka dots. Really pretty pad here. I love all the pinks and blues. Oh, look at the borders. Those are really nice as well. These books are so hard to flip through. Aw, some pretty waves, pineapples, big beautiful flowers. Kind of hard to see, but there's more polka dots. Oh my gosh, I love the rainbow stripe. I wish I could just like pick out a few sheets. Oh, there's the flamingos. I don't want to like make these books incomplete if they are complete, but man, the urge to just take a couple here and there, I'll resist. This is me and my big ideas, and there is 4 of each pattern. This one is definitely thinner paper. This is nice for backgrounds, of course. Lots of great patterns here. I love a good stripe. There's some diamonds and houndstooth and checkers. Very, very fun and super, super handy to have. Oh, here's another one that I'm gonna love, and this is by Splendor, GCD Studios. Oh, okay. Whoa. Oh, these are nice. Oh, I love the pink and green flowers. I do have quite a bit of those though, because one of my good friends loves pink and green, so I tend to make her a lot of pink and green florals. Oh, that's fun. Those are Scrabble tiles. Lots of nice sentiments. Really cool patterns. Love those large florals. A nice pad here. And this one is Christmas. However, it looks like there's some other colors besides the traditional red and green. If you watch these videos, you probably know, oh my gosh, those are little snowmen. No, you probably know that I prefer pink and blue when it comes to Christmas crafting, but I do have a really nice collection already. Ooh, that's really nice. So these are gonna go in the shop. And if you're wondering what shop I'm talking about, by the way, if you're new here, my name is Stephanie. I own a secondhand art and craft supply shop called Bottom of the Bin. We're located in Tampa Bay, Florida, and customers can trade in their leftover supplies for store credit. And we, like I said earlier, bought, sorry, these are kind of sticking. We bought an 80-year-old lady's entire collection. We've been going through them one bin at a time. This one's just hard to go through because some of the pages are falling out. And we've been having a blast seeing everything that's here. Oh, this one is really cute. It has puppies and doggies. It's by Craft Smart. This one is also kind of falling apart, so might not be able to do a flip through, but maybe we can go through like this. Some checkerboard, plaid, merry and bright. Those are really nice for making signs. This has all the borders with the puppies and kitties. pattern as well. Aw, that says Let It Snow, and it has the cute house with the Christmas tree. Pink one with the kitties and doggies. Have a warm and fuzzy holiday. Absolutely adorable. This is Christmas metallics. I love a good metallic. Happy holidays, polka dots. Aw, reindeer. Nice flowers. Beautiful sentiments. I love when they come with the sentiments. We have a season's greetings with the reindeer, snowflakes, and some repeats. Very cool. It's got silver and gold, which is nice. Okay, these are, looks like 2 separate pads. You can see how much of these that she used because they're not complete, but let's see if we can get a glimpse at a few of these. We've got this cool green color. Upside down, but that's little mini trees. Oh, these are all upside down. I'm just gonna have to try to rip them apart because they're way too torn to just like flip through. We have some stripes here. Has a bunch of Christmas sayings. And then we got Santa and some red trucks. Oh, that one's really cute. It has all the different greetings, including visit with Santa Claus, the best gift of all. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Let it snow. We all will be together up on the housetop. Happy holidays. That's a really nice one. That is gorgeous, and that is gorgeous. All right, this is Rustic Luxe by Recollections. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. These are so beautiful. Look at that. Oh my gosh, all you have to do is throw a metallic sheen and I'm just completely sold. I'll buy it. I'll take it. Send it my way. Oh my gosh, those are wonderful. This is also by Recollections. It's called All Is Calm. And this one's pretty used, but maybe we could do a little flip through like this just to get an idea. Not surprised. These are all Christmas as well. These are loose sheets. Oh my gosh, look at the candy canes. How fun is that? Oh, there's some sort of template here, I guess, to make a box, and then there's some pineapples on the back. Merry Christmas. Oh my gosh, that one has nutcrackers, poinsettias, Christmas greetings. These are double-sided, which is always fun. We have some cardinals and some gear. That's just a really nice border with ornaments. Very classic Christmas patterns. Oh, love the stripes. That actually looks like wrapping paper. Then we have the vintage children here and here. And oh my gosh, this one is super cool. Also vintage themed. It has all the different little greetings and postage stamps on the side. Oh. I need to keep these. They're gumdrops, and I, like I said, make pink and blue Christmas pastel themed cards. So I don't know if you could see the shimmer on those, but I just need these. I need them. I need them. I also love like gingerbread houses and gingerbread men. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty with the wood and the snowflakes. Oh, look at the fun metallic polka dots. It doesn't show up great on camera, but it's really cute. Oh, the snowmen are adorable. I obviously can't show every sheet because there's so much, but man, whoops. What a collection this is. Love it. That's what flew out of there. Little Christmas trees and borders. Ooh, next we have Winter Magic. Oh, look at all the metallic foil. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, I really like this one. I know I'm supposed to be good, but wow. Oh my gosh. Oh, I hope you can see that. It's just like little metallic stars. And more Christmas. 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 And you guessed it, more Christmas. Gosh, look at the presents under the tree. Oh, this is another one I need. Look at those beautiful ornaments. All right, that was a really fun one. And speaking of metallic and shiny, this whole bin, oh my gosh, appears to be all metallics and some really fun colors. I don't even know what that is. I need that one. I'm gonna try not to blind you with the glare, but look at all these colors. Green, red, blue, gold, more green. And this one, they're labeled gray, craft, silver, both gold, both charcoal. Got our golds and silvers. Random shimmery purple. Wow, that's really pretty. Oh my gosh, don't tell me this one's all shimmer. Oh, it is. It's probably kind of hard to see on camera, but they're very pearlescent. I do have some nice ones like this already, so I'll leave these for the shop. All right, this one says patterns double-sided, but they're not all double-sided. Flowers, some beautiful hearts, purple, green, ooh, stars and stripes. Oh, these are great. 4th of July is coming up. Perfect. Wow, look at all these patriotic ones. Very cool find. Are there some sort of badges? Stars, polka dots, metallic flowers. Oh my gosh, antique flowers, red flowers, blue flowers. That's textured. It literally feels like velvet. More blue flowers, brown flowers, pastel stripes. Ooh, dotted and checkerboard stripes. Wow, those are beautiful. Oh, we got the Eiffel Tower here and here. Oh my gosh, that almost looks 70s. That's really cool. And this has the luggage and the air balloon. This has some sentiments, it looks like. They're vintage theme, Paris inspired, Lady Washington pearl buttons. Interesting. Polka dots. Beautiful vintage butterflies. More patterns. More patterns. More patterns. And a bob? Bob, why did you wait till the last second? You scared me. I thought you were missing this time. That'll do it for bin number 54. Make sure to follow and subscribe so you don't miss the next unbinning.